Wally watchers. I'm gonna coin that. This is Harrison back at 95 West Walnut Park. Past couple weeks, we've been making great progress as we have since the beginning of this project. We've finished all of our site utility work, which means all of our water service, fire suppression service, as well as our new sewer line has been installed. We've got all of our backfill done. Now we're on to our steel install and our framing as well. So we're here with our framers this week. They're doing some temporary bracing and some cutting of the existing joists to fit our new steel beams in. And those are going to be installed on Monday. And then the framers will finally be able to go to work. The new structure of the building will be fully in place, and we can move forward with all of the framing to the addition, the existing building, the dorm ring on the 3rd floor. We've got about 5 guys here today, as you can hear the noise above me. So a lot of exciting things happening on this project.
Happy Wally Wednesday, everybody. It's Alex Chicola from Wollaston Real Estate Investments. I am back in the City of Champions, Brockton, Massachusetts, right where we got our start. We're not going anywhere. And I'm at 30 Interval Street. This is the future site of our biggest project to date so far. We're officially going to P&S, Purchase and Sales Agreement, this week on 15,000 square feet of development. This is going to turn from what used to be a janky old nightclub, I believe it was a nightclub, to 15 brand new Class A apartments for the city of Brockton. We've been doing some very serious due diligence on this project, making sure that all of the expenses on a project this big are actually going to meet our budget. That's very important. And then we've been working to evaluate the back-end value of a project this big. We figured it all out. We're gonna be making some tweaks to the floor plans to maximize value in this building. And in approximately 45 days or so, we're gonna close on this bad boy. And this will be a very well-documented, large development project. We're super stoked for this experience to learn and continually push our business and our development and our growth in this industry. So stay tuned, super exciting. Can't wait to share with you some more details.